Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with the Crafty Advent Calendar, Day 13. Yay! We are at the halfway point. But I'm still happy to play. I love Advent calendars. This is such a gift every single day. Love these crafty Advent calendars. On the 13th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. I can't wait to open it up. And it's a stamp set. On day 13, it's a sentiment stamp set. Happy birthday. Have an amazing day. I'm glad you were born. Oh, that's really nice. This is great for cards for your kids, grandkids, to someone special. This is an all occasion one too. Love. Alrighty, let's look at my example. This is my December 13th example. It's a full 5x7 card. I know, I'm like going so out there with the Advent calendar. Yesterday, I have this whole ensemble with the strawberries. Today, it's a stamp, but the stamp led to all of this. Last year with the Advent calendar, I was challenging myself to play within the Advent calendar. Like I would use day 5, 7, 9, and then incorporate it into day 13. This year, I realize I'm shopping my stash. This is the Spellbinders Holiday Hugs collection. I have been having so much fun playing with this super cute, adorable collection. Expect to see a video coming from me because there is the gnomes in one set of dies. Then there's a snowman and Santa. Okay, and Santa comes with Rudolph too. You can either make a reindeer or a Rudolph with a little red nose. Really cute. So I will be linking that whole collection below. This one is Gnome Hugs Dies. So cute. So you get the full gnome. You also get the baby gnome. They're the little shoes. And then here's the stocking. This is a horse. And then you also get, like, I think these are flowers, some snowflakes, a heart, and then here's the nose. This layers up for that stocking and for his sleeves. So you could turn it into mittens with a different color, but I just kept it all the same color. In here, I'm playing with Spellbinders cardstock too. This one is Waterfall, Teal Topaz, Lilac, Mist, I think it's called. I'll put the proper name here on the screen of the light purple. This is the darker purple too. So there is like a light purple, mid purple, dark purple, and then the super dark purple is the plum. This one is that mid color, and I'll put that here on the screen as well. I know I don't use the purples a lot. Purple is my favorite color. You would think I would be reaching for it all the time. So I did bring in the purples to contrast with all these teals. So the stamp set is the happy birthday. But in this one, I'm turning it into a Christmas card. So it's Merry Christmas to someone special right there. Now let's talk about how day 13 right here turned into all of this. So I have the gnome. With this Holiday Hugs collection from Spellbinders, there is also some stamps. This is the Gnome Hugs Sentiment Stamps. There is this cute strip. I heat embossed on that purple cardstock right here with some white embossing powder. Notice how good this stamped out with the detail with my little stocking. And then here I put the white cardstock. It does have a little hole there to hang it. I even used one of the snowflakes here. That's white glitter cardstock. Then in the background here, I took some of my white cardstock, took out my 9-inch pro shears, and I actually created my own hills. Just run this and it gives a very smooth cut. This is a 120-pound cardstock. It's not 110, 120. So it's thick. And I got that double hill going on. I wanted the slope to be more angled, high up here, low down here, because I wanted him on the second slope. You see it here? This little guy on the first slope. And I wanted enough space to put the sentiment. That's why I had to make my own custom hill. In the background, look at that embossing folder. It's so fabulous. It's a 2D embossing folder, Christmas style, oversized, okay? So you don't need a universal plate system for that one. All I used here was just a texture for that. Love, look at my little guys. The sentiment, the Snow Garden sentiments, that Merry Christmas here. I love this hot foil plate so much. Spellbinders sent me this one. I already bought myself a second set. That's how much I love this, because this is another one that I can use scraps of hammer mill cardstock, scraps of hot foil roll, and just glimmer sentiments. And Merry Christmas and the season's greetings over and over again. Really love this set. To cut this out, I'm here for you sentiments. That little die with the flags gives the detail and the amount of space to cut this out. Here, I finished it off with some opal gems here and opal gems up here. So, one little sentiment led to all of this. I know I am having a ball with the Advent calendar, and I am having a ton of fun shopping my stash. It's been a nice journey to revisit some things that are new, some things that are not as new, coming again back to the all-time winners. Glimmer like a dream, they die cut like a dream, and you can just pop them on. This one just fit all of what's happening here. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. You'll soon be seeing my Spellbinders Holiday Hugs video because these little guys are adorable. Oh, by the way, if you're seeing some little angles in here, are you seeing some little shading angles? Because this hat is so tall and has all these little curves in it, I wanted to have like a little bit of shading in there. This is not a Copic marker or an Olo marker. This is using the Waffle Flower Shader 2 brush. And I took some ink and came on. And to get this line, you don't come broad, you come like up and down like this. And I mean, super easy. So this is where these shader brushes with this flat styling works. To feather it out, if I wanted it wider, then I would turn it sideways and go feathering. But to get it in here, this was the first time I really had fun with using the shader brush for what is intended. You know, really shading right in here. It worked like a dream. Just This one's a little bit thicker, so that means that I probably feathered it out a little bit. And feathering out, when I say that, I mean just sort of spreading the ink out a little bit wider than here. Because you can get a very hard line, and then you can feather out your line if you want it to just kind of fade like that. Love this. But if you're going to get shader brushes, make sure it has the plus on it. If it doesn't have the plus, it's not the new and improved. You're going to get the older one. No. You want these. So Shader 2 brush, I will be linking that below, okay? Alrighty, crafters. Definitely check out Spellbinders Fire Sale, loaded with sizzling steals. So until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.